Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So it's already October and I will share a recipe which you can prepare during the Durga Puja and definitely this year during Kali Puja or in Bhai Phota or Bhai Dooj. You can give surprise to your brother, and brothers you can surprise to your sister as well. So the name of the recipe is Header Rogan Josh. Header Rogan Josh, that is prepared with mushroom. So that is, you can say, mushroom Rogan Josh. Basically this is a recipe from Kashmir. There are two types of Kashmiri Rogan Josh are there. One is Hindu Pandit type and another is Muslim type. So in this recipe I'm not going to say it's a proper authentic because there are many versions of this Rogan Josh. So I am preparing using the Muslim and Kashmiri Hindu Pandit. So combine that, I am preparing this mutton Rogan Josh recipe. And one magic ingredient I am going to use in this recipe, that is RATAN. Basically I am from Kolkata. I got it from New Market, Esplanade New Market area. So if in other state or anybody is watching, they can search online and you can buy this. And how to use this RATAN in this particular recipe, you have to follow the recipe. So you can say this is the Durga Puja gift for everybody, Durga Puja and Diwali and Bhai Dooj as well. So just watch the recipe and this puja, stay safe, stay happy and enjoy a lot. So you must try this Kashmiri Rogan Josh, that is Kashmiri Header Rogan Josh at home and enjoy your Durga Puja, Diwali and Bhai Dooj. So let's go to the recipe. Thank you. First of all, these are the mushroom. As I said, button mushroom I'm using, Header Rogan Josh. So just cut it into 2 pieces, that's it. So this is what I'm done with, and now coming to the spices. Looks good, really, isn't? So the dry spices, I am thinking from where I will start. So let's start with the easiest one. So this is Zira or cumin powder, and this is Saunf, or in Bengali we say Mouri, that is the powder. And here you can see chopped coriander, this is salt, simple salt. This one is Kashmiri red chili powder, and here this is homemade garam masala powder, and this is chota ilaichi cardamom powder, green cardamom powder. And you know what is this? This is turmeric, haldi, and this is lesun or garlic paste. And this is dry ginger powder. If you don't have dry ginger powder, you can easily use normal ginger paste. This is green chili, you can see, and the magic ingredient, this is what the red color will come from that. This is called RATAN. You can get it online, or I am from Kolkata, so I get it in New Market. So this is RATAN. So I will show you how to use the RATAN. In Rogan Josh we don't use color, but we use this natural color, that is RATAN. So what else I have, let me show you. Almost I'm over. So this is whole garam masala. What I have, that dalchini, and this is black cardamom, small cardamom, and some clove, long, and black pepper. So here are black pepper, and lots of sliced onion, and this is normal dahi, not hankard, normal curd, and this is Kashmiri red chili, that is dried, and I soaked it overnight. So because I don't want the tikha, it will increase the color, but taste and color. And apart from that, I just remove all the seeds from here, soak from whole night, and then you can remove it from here. No need to cut it. So I'm almost done, and I will start with the cooking. So the first thing first, I will add little bit of turmeric powder in this water. It won't be a boiling water, okay? I will blanch all this mushroom. And just 2 to 3 minutes maximum, I will just blanch it, and then I will remove it. Okay, so I will remove it and keep it aside. Here you go. I'm not going to use this water. By the way, this Rogan Josh, in Kashmiri Rogan Josh they always use the mutton stock. So here I had mutton stock, so I'm using the mutton stock. If you don't have mutton stock, you can use normal water as well. and if you want to make total vegetarian, so no need to use the mutton stock. So so it's done. I'm showing it to you, and I will start the cooking process. First I will prepare the RATAN jot. For that I'm using veg oil. Any brand veg oil you can use. So this is the oil, and I have to wait till it's warm. And entire cooking will be in vegetable oil or white oil, any sort of. So I will wait till it's done, and then I will add this RATAN jot, and that will be in low flame. So once I add this, and I will keep it aside, you can see the color is changing. So I'm going to use this color in this Rogan Josh. So you can see the nice red color. Let me show you. So it is like that. The nice red color is coming from natural thing, that RATAN jot. So I will prepare that and I will keep it aside, and I will use later. This thing I'm not going to use, only I'm going to use the oil. Let's start the cooking, main cooking. So two things actually I forgot. I'm very sorry about that. This is a sliced tomato. You can use either thinly sliced tomato or tomato puree, anything. Tomato puree will be better. And this is bay leaf, I forgot to mention. So these are the things, as I said, that I have to keep in mind. So that's why I'll definitely mention this in the description box, that what are the ingredients we have to do it. So first, the onions. I have to fry the onions, and this time I have to add this bay leaf. So carefully follow the step. It's nothing like that you can add anything at any time. So you have to follow the step for this Kashmiri Wazwan recipe. This is really very nice. I prepared with mutton before, and this is with mushroom. So vegetarian people, they can also have this Rogan Josh. Obviously, if you are a no onion, no garlic, then you cannot taste this, because without that the taste won't be good. So it will be with onion, garlic, everything. What I was thinking, that today I'm not going to use the mutton stock. What about that? I will show you how to prepare without mutton stock. So I will use the normal water. So it's little bit done. Now I will add rest of the spices. So the heat will be in low, otherwise it can burn. So what is going, that Saunf or Mouri powder and Jeera or cumin powder. Little bit of turmeric, not much, because we want the red color, not the yellow color. And garlic paste, lehsun, and ginger powder. As I said, if you don't have ginger powder, don't worry about that. You can use ginger garlic paste as well. So just I have to cook it, and I think here I need to add some oil. So just cook it, and I think here I have to add some water, but some more thing I will add at first. So here goes our Kashmiri red chili, the whole red chili, and Kashmiri MIRCH powder. It's done, and I will add little bit of water instead of mutton stock. I don't want to burn this, so first I have to cook this, and I am cooking this in low heat, not a high heat. Have to cook it properly. And now I will add this sliced tomato, and you can add tomato puree as well, that is optional. If you want to save time, you can add the tomato puree instead of this sliced tomato, because it has to be cooked. And then whole garam masala I'm adding. And now again, instead of mutton stock, I'm using the water. So that is the normal water, and I'm adding some salt. The recipe is really nice and it's easy. I will say it's easy. So now I will cover it and I will cook it in medium flame. Let me check, and I will add this header or mushroom. Give it a stir properly, and then I will cover it for 5 to 8 minutes. Let me check the spices are done or not. Okay, so you can see already there is red color is coming out, the oil is coming out. So I am almost done with this recipe, so I am adding the rest of the masalas. But before that, in a low flame, I am going to add this curd or dahi. So that will be in low flame, and mix it properly. And now I have to add garam masala and cardamom powder. So give it a stir. And the magic ingredient, as I said, so I am going to use the RATAN jute right now. So how to use the RATAN jute? So here I am using the colored oil only. So you can see I am going to use the oil. And yes, this you cannot reuse, you have to discard it. So it's done. And now I will give it a good mix. You can see the red color, that is not a food color, it's coming from this only. So now I have to cover it for 2-3 minutes maximum. Let me check if it's done or not. So yes, it's done. So now I will switch off the gas and just sprinkle some coriander leaf and this one green chili, that is optional definitely. So hope you enjoyed this Rogan Josh, header Rogan Josh or mushroom Rogan Josh. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. I'm very much sure you enjoy this recipe. You will definitely try this at home, and must check this Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook and Google to place order for food. And you can check Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram as well. And right now I have MaddyBee, another page, so you just go through it, and I'm going to enjoy this with plain rice or maybe with roti. I don't know, I will decide. So you decide and tell me how do you enjoy. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen, and thanks a lot for showing so much love.